10-Step Guide to Convert 401k to Gold IRA Rollover with $400,000. In today's volatile economic landscape, securing your financial future is crucial. Have you considered diversifying your retirement portfolio by rolling over your 401k into a Gold IRA? This guide simplifies the steps to transition your 401k into a Gold IRA, enhancing your financial security with tangible assets. 1. Understand Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account allowing physical gold investments, offering tax advantages similar to traditional IRAs with added diversification benefits. 2. Assess your 401k plan. Review your current plan's rules on rollovers. Contact your plan administrator for specific details. 3. Select a custodian. Choose a reputable custodian to manage the transfer and ensure IRS compliance. 4. Open a Gold IRA. Complete the necessary paperwork to open your Gold IRA with your chosen custodian. 5. Initiate the rollover. Start the rollover process through a direct or indirect rollover, ensuring funds are transferred within 60 days to avoid penalties. 6. Fund your Gold IRA. Transfer your $400,000 401k balance into the Gold IRA and confirm receipt with your custodian. 7. Choose gold investments. Select gold bullion, coins, or bars that meet IRS purity standards, diversifying your holdings. 8. Secure storage. Store your physical gold in an approved depository, arranged by your custodian. 9. Monitor your investment. Regularly review your account's performance and consult with your custodian or a financial advisor for adjustments. 10. Understand tax implications. Be aware of tax implications and rules, such as penalties for early withdrawals and required minimum distributions starting at age 72. Following these steps ensures a smooth and compliant 401k to Gold IRA rollover, fortifying your retirement with the stability of gold investments. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.